How to create presentations on Canva. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys quick and easy way to create presentation on Canva. Now let's just jump right in. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your web browser and search for canva.com and simply log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will easily find the presentation tab right here. You can just click on it to create a new presentation. And there are a ton of templates that you can use to get started with. So here on the templates tab, you can use any of these available templates. Just click on any one of them and then add all 10 pages. So you could just make an edit on this. If you want, you could also choose to change these components, add something else, or just move it around. So this is the first thing you can do. You could add different kind of animations as well. So on this page one, it is here. On the second page, you could try to move it up here and then select the animation. You could choose its duration throughout the page. You could just choose its length as well. And there are other stuff you can do. You could show the timer for the presentation and then add certain notes to the title of the page as well. You could add other texts. You could add files like videos, photos, and other stuff as well. And there are other tools that you can use, such as markers, drawing, annotations, and you could even select different kind of stuff. So that is how you create a presentation on Canva. And finally, you can click on the share option, go to download, and then it will be PDF for the standard, but you can choose the PPTX for the Microsoft PowerPoint documents. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.